Cosmetic tattooing is helping cancer survivors and those facing health ailments to regain confidence. Founder of Cinnamon Girl Clinic, Jody Stoski, is in. Good morning.
Good morning.
So tell us about cosmetic tattooing, because a lot of people might think that means just makeup, but this is taking it so far beyond that.
It most definitely is, Courtney. We do a lot of different kinds of tattooing at Cinnamon Girl, from the cosmetic that a lot of people are familiar with, from like brows, eyeliner, lips, and then the medical end of it, which is a little bit more, you know, areolas and kind of that hair loss that can occur during different kinds of illnesses.
Okay, so we have a few examples here. We'll bring up 2 examples of eyebrows. So let's start with this one here.
Yep. So this is a lady with alopecia. So that's a medical related autoimmune disorder that causes one to lose hair. So to give her a 3D looking brow is a big game changer for a woman like this.
So that eyebrow is all tattooed?
100%.
And permanent, so she doesn't have to worry about that.
That's correct. These brows do require maintenance, but they're not day-to-day maintenance, more yearly.
Okay, and there is a male example.
Yep, absolutely.
And then we have a child example as well, because this is for children as well that undergo some medical concerns.
Yep. So children, we talk about kids under 18, and I usually start from about 12 and up. So this is a pulling disorder called trichotillomania, which causes the person to pull their eyebrows out, and then we re-tattoo them on for them.
Wow. Okay, and it's not just eyebrows, of course. We have a couple other examples here to help with scarring on the face.
Yes.
I believe we have the cleft lip that we will pull up.
Yep.
There we go.
All right, so that kind of scarring would be after a fabulous surgery, but we're just cleaning that up so that, you know, that little girl's lip looks a little more natural and less scarred.
Okay, and then we have a scarring from a facelift.
Yes.
Okay, so not great end result.
Well, you know, I guess...
After the facelift, I should say.
Yeah, I mean, it depends. Everyone heals up a little bit differently, so we can really like mop up the loose ends for people and tidy those kinds of things up.
It's incredible, with tattoo as well. Okay,
Yeah.
and then we have some bad examples, because you have to be really careful with this stuff.
Yes. So bad examples, I feel, are getting more common. Unfortunately, with inexperienced technicians, we're seeing a lot more of this kind of stuff come our way.
Unbelievable. And your story is pretty cool in itself. You started as a makeup artist,
yes,
transitioned to tattoo artist,
yep,
and then you have a bunch of staff members on hand. But you just told me about one artist in particular who was traditional tattoo artist,
yes,
underwent some health issues herself,
yep,
and then now is working to help others regain that confidence.
That's correct. Actually, both myself and one of my other artists have had cancer, and
wow,
so you really have a good understanding about, you know, where these people are at in their journey and how this kind of thing can be a really positive change for them.
And you were saying a lot of people actually receive this during treatment, not even after surviving cancer, but
That's
undergoing
right.
treatment.
Yeah, so we often see people pre, during, and post. We chat with the oncologist, make sure everything is okay with them, and get them up and on their way for a little bit smoother journey.
Wow, and you look fantastic, and you've had your face done with cosmetic tattooing.
Yes, both. I mean, I would have to, because
right,
that would be not right if I didn't. So both my brows, liner, and lips are tattooed. So
very cool. So what would be your biggest piece of advice then for someone that has undergone, you know, a health ailment that has transformed their appearance? They're not feeling that confident about it, as far as seeking some help.
I mean, I think the biggest thing, and I always say this, is do your homework. You really want to know who's working on your face and where that, you know, what that person, their repertoire looks like.
Because it is permanent. It's just like other tattooing on the body, traditional tattoos.
That's right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, cinnamongirlclinic.ca is the website to head to for more information and for more photos of before and afters. It's incredible what you guys can do with tattoo when it really becomes an art form to help people regain some confidence. Very nice to meet you.
You too, Courtney.
Head to the website for more information.